Hello and welcome back to Solid Print. How have you guys been? I've missed you. I'm Ben Keezer and today I hope to steal a moment of your time as we talk about printing with metal on the UltiMaker. We've been printing with 17.4 pH stainless steel on the UltiMaker S5. The metal 3D printing process previously was very expensive, but UltiMaker have made it extremely affordable for us to actually have a play around and a tinker with that, which is really exciting. We've been playing around with a load of different profiles. There is a design guide on UltiMaker's forums, which is incredibly helpful. We've ignored all of that because who needs instructions? And we've just had a play around to see what works, what doesn't work as well. So if you did want any feedback or any advice on your own metal 3D printed parts, do get in touch. We can definitely help with that. The metal printing process that we've had a play around with though involves debinding and desintering, so that's taken about 2 weeks to actually get back to us, but they arrived yesterday, so I'm very excited to show you some of the different parts today. So first off, big bold flat shapes here have worked really nicely. All of the parts will require this little raft, so the simpler the bottom surface, the best it is, which you can see we found out the hard way with the spanner here, which has a fairly rough little surface on it, unfortunately. My favourite part though is the UltiMaker logo. We printed it with a 30% gyroid infill, and we've had exposed top and bottom surfaces as well, so therefore we can actually see that pass inside, and it's come out with a really awesome looking shape here. We're very excited to actually get the UltiMaker S7 as well soon, seeing how that fares with metal 3D printing. The flexible build plate will certainly make it a lot easier to take our parts off instead of the glass one that we've got on the S5 and the S3. Well, that was a pretty metal video, I think you'll agree. So, if you'd like to see the machine in person, get a sample, or come around and explore some of the other things we have to offer, please do use the link below to book us a showroom tour, and we'd love to see you in person. Or, alternatively, you can email info@solidprint3d.co.uk or phone 01926 333 777, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. And as always, don't just have a good day, have a solid day.